Very good morning to all my students. Today I, Tarun sir, is going to describe the summary of Act 1, Scene 2 from the drama The Tempest, written by William Shakespeare. In Act 1, Scene 2, we will see that Prospero will disclose each and everything to his daughter Miranda. The scene begins with Miranda, who is over tensed and worried. She is such a kind girl that after seeing the tempest and after seeing the mariners stuck in a tempest crying for life, she comes to her father and straightaway questions him that if he is responsible for this tempest and the condition of mariners. She also begs her own father that stop it because those noises and screams are disturbing Miranda. She cannot see them like this. Prospero is least bothered because yes, the answer is Prospero created this tempest with the help of a spirit named Ariel. So he now discloses each and everything to Miranda after 12 years. Earlier also we had seen that several times Miranda tried to question her father about all this, but Prospero tried to avoid it. A very important phrase, that is bootless inquisition. It means that to make someone suspicious about something. And yes, Miranda was left in suspicion. But now the wait is over. Prospero says, Miranda, sit down. I will not harm anyone. Don't worry. And yes, I am taking this responsibility that I have created this tempest. But believe me, daughter, I will not harm anyone. I will bring them safely to the seashore and then to this island. I have a plan, my daughter, please listen to me. 12 years ago, you were a princess and I was the Duke of Milan. I here stands for Prospero. Your uncle Antonio, he mixed up in a conspiracy along with the king of Naples, Alonso, and they threw us out of our state. Daughter, it was my mistake. I started to get indulged in magic, reading magical books and all. I got uninterested in politics. I was least bothered about my dukedom and politics, and I was more interested in magic. In the meanwhile, what I did is that I trusted my real brother Antonio and asked him to take care of my dukedom. I never knew that your uncle would be betraying us. He would usurp the entire dukedom, and this is what happened. Alonso and Antonio both collaborated with each other and they snatched away the kingdom from me. Through us, that is Prospero and Miranda. Miranda, you were only 2 years old. They threw us in a small boat and that too in a tempest. I salute that old counselor of Alonso. His name is Gonzalo. What a great servant, what a noble servant he has. He threw the magical books and some food and canteen in that small boat, with the help of which we landed to this island. Otherwise, we would have died. Daughter, do you remember something about your childhood? You were a prince. Miranda says that, yes, father, I was surrounded by few ladies. Prospero is shocked that how come such a small child could remember about all this. But yes, he agrees and he says that, yes, daughter, you were not surrounded by ladies, you were surrounded by maids. You were the daughter of the Duke of Milan, but now it's my time to take revenge. But I will not harm anyone. Don't worry. I will make them apologize and take away my kingdom from my real brother Antonio. When I came to this island 12 years ago, I saw Ariel, who was imprisoned by Sycorax, a witch who ruled over this island. I freed Ariel with the promise that Ariel would be helping me and following my commands. Now enters Ariel. Prospero says that Ariel, good job. Hope so no one has been harmed. Ariel says that yes, Master Prospero, I have made the boatswain and other mariners asleep, and that too in a deep sleep. Rest of them would be safely landing to the seashore. Ariel says that Prospero, please free me now. You already promised me a year ago that you, after following your commands, you would free me. Prospero is so angry, he says that, should I remind you, what was your condition? You were imprisoned in a pine tree by Sycorax. I was the one who freed you. How dare you ask for freedom? I will imprison you again for 12 years. Ariel is afraid. He says, fine, I would be obeying your orders and commands. So Act 1, Scene 2, Prospero has laid down the foundation of taking his revenge from his team, from the team of Alonso and his real brother Antonio. They have all come to this island. Prospero has another plans. I would be discussing it in my next video when I would be posting the summary of other acts and scenes. Prospero has a plan to bring Ferdinand and Miranda closer. Test Ferdinand's love for Miranda. In the meanwhile, before ending this summary, I would like to also highlight a new character, that is Caliban. Caliban, an evil-looking creature, is the son of Sycorax. You can also write down the entire summary in case if you have understood my words. You can send it to me on my number, that is 9839305466. Don't copy it from anywhere. Whatever I have mentioned, try to write it on your own and then send it to me on WhatsApp. I will check it. I will check it technically and then repost it on WhatsApp. Thank you so much, class.